The falling leaves drift by my window. The falling leaves up and go. I see your lips, the summer kisses, the sunburned hands I used to hold. Since you went away, the days grow longer, and soon I'll hear old winter songs. But I miss you most of all, my darling.